Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix GreedFall, the dying world game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, or showing black screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game, go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So you should make sure your PC have all these requirements to play the game, and after that try to launch the game and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now click on general. Here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If it doesn't work, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. But if the issue continues, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, again go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties and click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimization, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue continues again and again, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next method is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam. Now click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads and then go below. Here you can see clear cache. Beside clear download cache, click on this. This will download cache and restart Steam. Clear your local download cache. So you need to log into Steam once again, confirm it. After that, log into Steam and after that check if the game is launching or not. Next method is to allow GreedFall, the dying world, through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to delete temp files. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type temp, press OK, and whatever the temp files you will get, you simply have to select it and finally click on the delete icon. So after deleting the temp files, now check if the game is opening or not. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it and then click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check. Here you have to click on check for updates option. You will get check for updates option available over here. So after that, check if there is any update available, and if there is an update available, simply download and install it, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link. After downloading it, you have to open it, and now after it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Whatever option you get, you have to click on it and click on yes, then wait for some time. After it is completed, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, Now check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your PC, you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. Hopefully this will resolve the issue. Next method is to install DirectX. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, click on the download option. This will download DirectX on your system. Once it is downloaded, you have to install it. After installing it, launch the game and check. If not, next is disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you are suggested to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and then switch off in-game overlay option from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next solution is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list. Now after you add the game, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. After selecting high performance, launch the game and then check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall GreedFall, the dying world game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. Once the game is removed, now restart your PC. Once your system restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall GreedFall, the dying world game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few solutions to fix GreedFall, the dying world game crashing or stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.